guys, my name is Bree. I am launching a candle company, and so some of the top makers markets that I've seen online have been Wooden Wick. I love their branding, I love the fragrance oils, and I also love the vessels that they use. And so to launch my candle company, I decided to go with them, and we're gonna be going through an unboxing today. Let's check it out. I highly recommend, as if you're an aspiring new candle maker that wants to launch their own business, or if you are an existing candle maker looking to expand your product line and looking at new fragrances, I highly recommend you purchase one of their discovery kits. You can do that from any company, but I purchased 4 of Wooden Wick's discovery kits. So these are some of the top contenders. You know, I reached out to all my friends and asked them, what scents do you like? What scent profiles are, something that you'd be interested in? And I found that these 4 have been awesome. So I have the New and Novel, Fresh and Floral. Oh, I'm not sure if you can even see that. So these are the ones that I picked up. And so within each discovery kit, there's around 10. There is 10 fragrances. And so you get the pick of your choosing of 10 different fragrances. These are all 10 milliliter bottles. So, they're enough for a sample. Nothing crazy, but it's enough. It's 0.3 ounces, 10 milliliters. That's what you can get here. Let's see if it'll pick it up. There we go. So this is what you get. You get around 10 of these. And basically what I do is I purchase the blotter strips and I put them on blotter strips and I smell them. And I think that it gives me a good idea of exactly what scents I want to add into my product line before committing and purchasing, because each of these fragrances at Wooden Wick are they're expensive. So if you're going to commit to $46 plus for a 16-ounce jar of fragrance, you better be happy with the scent and the scent throw and the combinations that you want to achieve with that. And so I have 4 of these discovery kits. The discovery kits run around $50 each, and you get 10 scents. If you want me to go through and give a review of my favorite scents out of all these 4 discovery kits, I'm happy to do that with you guys. I can also talk about hot throws as well as just the overall scent and the strength of it. So you don't have to purchase these kits because it was pretty expensive. If you're paying $50, $60 for a sample kit that you can't use in your candles, it's pretty expensive. And so happy to run through that with you. So let's keep going. I have a lot more things to unbox. The box is behind me, and so let's get into it. I have quite a bit here. A little unboxing. First, we're gonna look at, I have a lot of fragrance oils. Let's go into the fragrance oil. I purchased 5 different fragrance oils, so we have quite a bit here. And I'll let you know why I purchased them, when I did. Basically, I got these discovery kits early and I smelled them, and then I made my purchase from there. And that's why I was willing to commit to buying these for the amount that they are. So I purchased Dark Rose Labdanum. Let me know if I'm pronouncing that right. This is one of their trendy top sellers kit. So this flavor profile is absolutely superb. It is like a deep, warm scent. If I talk about the top notes, it's pink peppercorn, grapefruit, plum. The middle is, you can see it here if you can go on their website. In the middle is black rose and cumin, and the base is vanilla, patchouli, and labdanum. So as you can tell, this is a warmer scent. Gorgeous scent, warm scents are pretty popular right now. And if you like deep, warm, and woodsy, that's my type, and a bit of floral, that's my type of scent as well. And so I know this is gonna do well in a candle line. The next one that we have is Calabrian Lemon and Lilac Leaves. Y'all, this isn't working out. Let's try this side. So we have Calabrian Lemon and Lilac Leaves. The top note is Calabrian Lemon and fresh basil. The middle note is Jade Waters and green lilac. And the base is Sea Breeze and delicate juniper. So this, I believe, is a lighter scent, and it's just light and fresh and delicious. Like, it smells like I want to drink this. Yes, absolutely gorgeous. It's a lighter scent that would do well blended with other scents. On its own, it could provide like a nice light lemon floral scent. Not necessarily the strongest. I think the dark rose is definitely stronger, like coming out of the scent from the bottle than I would imagine it will burn in a candle, but we'll see when I do testers. So if you guys want me to do some testing with different waxes with the scents that I've got, I'm happy to go through that as well. Okay, let's get into the next one. So the next one is Yuzu Blossoms and Hinoki. This one I love. Let's see if we can, you know, I'm gonna stop trying to do this because it keeps trying to focus on my face, huh? So Yuzu Blossoms and Hinoki. So the top is Yuzu Pear and Mandarin. The middle is Lang Lang and Plum Blossom. And the base is Hinoki, Apricot Wood, and Patchouli. So the notes are gorgeous, you know? And let's get a remembrance smell here. Yeah, it smells pretty good. So this one is also on the lighter side and the floral side. Great to blend together. I believe I bought these two to blend together for a more clean and floral and light scent. So we'll see how those work out. Next one is the Wild Vetiver and Suede. Oh yeah, I'm excited about this one. So this scent, I don't know what it is. It's like a deep, warm scent that's just glorious. It smells so fresh. It's like a fresh and clean. I would imagine like guys would like this scent. It's more, I guess it's more of a more neutral masculine type of scent. So the top notes are grapefruit, lemon, and sage. The middle notes are vetiver, oak moss, and orris. The base is musk, lily, cedarwood, and cypress. Absolutely gorgeous. I wish you all could smell this. Y'all, I can't get this to, oh yeah. Okay, there we go, cool. Okay, and then the last scent is Oudemar and Amber. Y'all, you know, these are some good scents. They smell high quality. They smell just like the notes say in this, and it doesn't smell like cheap fragrance oil. It smells legitimate, and I haven't smelled anything like this in a while. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So top notes are ocean breeze, mandarin, lavender. Middle notes are jasmine and black pepper. Base is amber, patchouli, and vanilla. Just glorious. Like, the scents that I purchased are nice, fresh, light, beautiful, and great to be blended together. I do plan on doing some blends of the scents. So we'll get into the rest of what I have in the box. There's quite a bit here, you guys. Another cool thing that I purchased is a candle care kit. So I got it in the matte black. Here's the tray. And then I'm gonna open these here. And they come with 3 tools. So here is a candle wick stick. Here are the wick trimmers. So this is what you trim your candle wick with. And then we have the candle snuffer here, and this is what you do to, you know, just snuff out your candles. I'm sure you can hear this wooden wick. It's gorgeous. What's burning in this candle is actually the mandarin and resin. It's a very light scent. Gorgeous. And this is the Glam Tin vessel. It's a nice candle care kit. Might be selling this in my stores. Next is we have some vessels, as you can hear. So these are the Glam Tins, and these are the Glam Tins in 5 ounce. And sage is the color. So I will take one out so you can see. They are very lightweight. As you can see for reference, they're around this size. And they do well for travel candles, which is why I bought them. To give to my customers as another option. Here's the top and here's the inside. It looks like here on the side. And they're absolutely beautiful. They do well with the wooden wicks. They're pretty big. You probably get around 30 to 40 hours of burn time with those. Next, we have a few more vessels, y'all. One of my favorite vessels is the Prism Aura vessel. This is a 12-ounce Aura vessel. Absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, it's very iridescent and holographic for size. It's gorgeous. I love this. I'm obsessed with all things iridescent. I think that this would be a beautiful addition to the line. And so I purchased a pallet of these. And so a pallet comes in 12, and this was around $56. You get a discount for purchasing 12 and up. Individual vessels running around $6 each. And then the price for these 10 vessels are around $2.70 each. You can buy a case pack of 12 and you will receive the discount there. The more you purchase, the more discounts that you get. Let's look at the next one. So this is these are their new vessels that they just came out with. I actually placed an order and I told them to cancel it so I can get these new vessels. I already purchased so many new vessels. I purchased a lot of the glam tins, but I asked them to take them back. But these are the 8-ounce matte white vessels. I'm gonna take off this stuff here. And they come with a top, which is why I purchased them. So here's the 8-ounce matte white vessel. It's gorgeous. It's like the Aura vessel, but 8 ounces. And this is in white. It's gorgeous. And it does come with the top. As you can see here, just sits right on top there. Gorgeous, nice and clean. The top comes free with this. With the Aura vessels, the top does not come free. And so what I was looking for was a top to be able to go on these. And it does. And so I bought a case pack of 12. I can't remember the exact price for these, but I'll put it up on the screen individually and case pack of 12. But they ran the same price as the glam tins. And I'm like, why would I buy a glam tin when I can buy a little bit more of a luxury item, especially these are glass. And so, and it comes with the top. And so I just wanted to have a little bit more luxury in my line. Okay, we got some more vessels. Also got the glam tins in rose. So same thing here. Purchased the case back at 12. I believe this is the last of the Aura vessels that I purchased. Oh, and these are just more of the 8-ounce matte Aura vessels. Next thing that I got are the crackling booster wicks in 0.03. So these are for my 12-ounce Aura vessels. These are a bit thicker. They come in a pack of 100, around $20. They also come with wick clips. So I have a quantity of 100 of these each, which is very nice for the price. The wick height is 5 inches. The wick width is 0.75. And these are flat wick clips. Next, I have the word wicks. I love the word wicks. They're so cute. Let me see if I can highlight on one. You can see it says love. You put these at the top. I mean, it's a really nice, cool extra addition to your candles. And I think love is also just beautiful. And then these also come with a case pack of 100 wick clips. So the crackling level on these is pretty high there. It's around 2, 3, and 4. This is what I use in all of the tester candles that I've had. So if you can hear this, yeah, that's the crackling level of the wood wicks. It's a pretty loud crackle. You can hear it very audibly. The width is 0.625. The height is 3.125. And yeah, these are great. They're very nice and light and I love them. Very easy to use. Right now, that's it for the haul. Let me know what you all think about some of the things that I picked up, some things that you want to see. If you want me to test some of the scents that we've had or take you through the discovery kit, I'm happy to walk you through my thoughts and the scents smell. But thank you for joining me and I'll see you in the next video.